Hey, what's up, guys? This is my 3 times speed version, just so you know. Hey, what's up, guys? It's me again, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a video of the new corporate landowners installing my refrigerator. It's kind of a longer video, it's a 30-minute video, so bear with me here. You can skip right through it if you want. I recommend skipping through parts of it if you really kind of want to see the different parts of it or anything, but it's about 30 minutes long. I was kind of in a rush too because I had to go to a doctor's appointment to get my shots because I just got like my tetanus shot and all that stuff. It's like my Tdap or whatever, and then I just got the my hepatitis B shot yesterday or something. And like out of nowhere, they're just like, "Oh yeah, we're gonna install a refrigerator. You know, we just got a refrigerator out of nowhere. We're just gonna install it." And I'm like, "Wait, what the heck? You guys are just gonna install a new refrigerator?" And then they also told me they're not gonna evict me anymore. They told me they really needed my money and they wanted to keep me and stuff. So, and I figured that's what was gonna be the case because I was a good tenant. I've been here for like ever since 2020. And these are just new landowners that don't really know me the right way. They don't know who's who or whose side is honest. So I mean, I'm probably not going to have to move out now, but here I'm going to show you the video footage of the new refrigerator install in three, two, one. I